What's up, YouTube? We out here, Ocean City. We at the air show, people. Out here at the air show, they doing different tricks and different stunts, folks. It's starting to fill up out here, people. You know? This is the life. Grown folk stuff, you dig? A little bit different. You know, I'm gonna get some different content today. Show y'all some different stuff. You know, I got some young cats that be, you know, talking about some different type of things going on out here. You talking crazy, but I'm gonna show y'all what grown people do, you know? This is the type of stuff adults get into. Charlie rides and shit, you feel me? Everybody ain't gang banging. Everybody ain't banging on wax, you feel me? Some of us out here living like adults. Look at that one. See, getting outside your neighborhoods, you know what I mean? Some of y'all got to get outside your neighborhood, explore some besides, you know, your hood, man. Get outside your comfort zone, man. I'm gonna walk this boardwalk, man. Show y'all a little bit of life. Look at the beach, man. The beach is full, man. Look at that. You see eye candy, some of everything out here, man. The beach is full. The people's out here. The waters, they got the boats, everything out. Show y'all a little bit of different shit, man.
They moved their street this year. That's where the boats are. Look at that.
Different content, folks. Trying to show some of these young cats, you know, that's talking crazy on here, man. Getting outside your comfort zone.
You want to sit on the wall? Or you want to walk a little bit?
Walk a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, because look, see where all the boats start?
Yeah.
She's right. They did. It's 21st
They started
Street.
on 21st Street this
Yeah,
year.
it was 12th this last year. That's pretty cool.
Look at this one. Look at him. I tried to get him.
I want to go down to where that guy's on the radio. He announces which one's come.
They announce which one is
'Cause I
coming
wanna
and
see
which
them
one
Blue
not.
Angels.
It's just the first one, you know. I'm just getting out here, man. So, man, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out here, man, that's watching this, man.
Ooh,
It's just, man.
that's where it is. It comes through the building. See that?
It's Yak, Chi-Town's finest, baby. Giving y'all a little different content on Father's Day. Look at all the people out here, man. Everybody just enjoying life. You know, no beefing. Nobody out here arguing, you know. Nobody out here rah-rahing and shit, you know. Nobody talking about nobody else's cases and shit, you feel me? Check back in with you fellas later. Holla back.